A high-level delegation with senior officers from the Indian Navy and the Ministry of Defense will be participating in the Expo Naval, that is scheduled to take place in Chile from 29th November, with the intent to promote and offer the coastal variant of the Brahmos anti-ship missile and warships to the Chilean armed forces and other militaries in the region. Indian shipyards are keen to promote their technology and shipbuilding expertise in the South African continent, and is also looking to tie up with local naval shipyards to promote Indian warships. India is also eyeing a pact with Brazil and Chile to maintain its fleet of Scorpion-class submarines that are operated by the navies of 3 countries. Experts have said that the leasing of Tu-160 strategic bomber by India's Strategic Forces Command for nuclear delivery should be an interim measure, and India must develop a medium-range stealth bomber. The Tu-160 is currently the largest and fastest supersonic bomber in service, and leasing the Tu-160 will play a crucial role in understanding the concept of operating long-range bombers, and will also allow India to develop next-generation hypersonic and air-launched ballistic missiles. Hindustan Aeronautics plans to develop a light attack variant based on the HTT-40 platform that will have more rugged landing gear so that it can operate from semi-prepared runways from forward operating bases, desert environments and hot and high-altitude areas. HAL will promote the trainer variant and the light attack variant of the HTT-40 to countries that are looking to procure low-cost light attack aircraft for close air support in precise air-to-ground operations and target reconnaissance and designation. The Defense Ministry has notified the 4th positive indigenization list, that includes 351 high-value imported items, out of which 147 items have already been indigenized, and the remaining items will be indigenized in the next 3 years. 25% of the annual research and development budget has also been reserved for projects headed by startups and private companies. Reacting strongly to the Sri Lankan request for delaying the visit of Chinese spy ship, China has described India's opposition to the ship's visit as senseless, and urged India to not disturb normal exchanges between Sri Lanka and China. As per latest reports, Sri Lanka has now allowed permission to a Chinese-built missile frigate of the Pakistan Navy to make a port call at Colombo port, after it was denied a permission to make a port call by Bangladesh. The 13th edition of the Indo-US Joint Special Forces exercise Vajra Prahar 2022 has started at the Special Forces Training School in India, under which the 2 special forces will share best practices and experiences in areas such as joint mission planning and operational tactics, and also to improve interoperability. The Ministry of Defense has announced that the Defence Expo 2022 will be held in Gujarat from 18th October. The expo will focus on land, naval and homeland security systems, and demonstrations showcasing the equipment and skill set of the armed forces, and expertise of the Indian industry will be held on all 5 days. The Army Design Bureau has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Drone Federation of India to develop high-impact drones for Indian soldiers. As a part of their collaboration, proposals will be invited for roadmap planning, research development, testing, manufacturing and adoption of drone-based solutions for supporting Indian Army operations in the harsh Himalayan terrains. The Army Design Bureau will enable field visits to selected participants in order to give the industry an exposure of the real-life operational scenarios.